Nitirini and I'm a music teacher. I, I've learned about music the last over 10 years ago, and now I became a music teacher. I established a music school the last 4 months ago. So now I'm preparing to perform on a 7 September concert with my students and my guitarist. So I hope you guys enjoy about the concert.
Ganpati Appa Moria. Guys, I'm really feel fortunate to be a part of Moria team. And I would like to say thanks to all the Moria team to make this so successful. And please join and make it as a grand event. Thank you.
Ganpati Bappa! Yeah. So guys, we all are here for planning the Ganpati Utsav in Yangon, and today this is a meeting for the volunteers, and we have all come together to plan our work and what are the teams that we'll be having. So we have got some teams who will be taking care of security, registration, food counter, parents, and we all are very excited to take care of you all when you attend the function and make sure that all goes smooth. So we'll be doing our best as a team to make sure that you and your children have a great time at the Ganesh Utsav at Yangon.
He's also a disciplinarian. He can come to you and tell you how to behave.
Yeah, please cooperate with us and let us do this function very smoothly. And it's not only our responsibility; it's your responsibility also to take care of your children's.
We are both in the registration team, so we will be taking care of your registration, your entrance, and your part in the function. Is utmost, and it should be going smooth and nice. And we are there for registration, your entrance.
Make sure
you register and enter.
And as you can see, we are super stressed. How do we manage such a big event? तो किसी ने कहा पहले चाय पी लिया जाए फिर बाद में सोचेंगे. So that's what we are doing right now. Thank you.
My name is Soyal and I am a part of Team Moria. I am also managing and helping out with the participation. Hi.
Hi.
How is the preparation for your performances going so far?
It's going good. Students are practicing daily. They are making lots of efforts. Let's see. It's going great now.
Yeah, my daughter is participating in two of the activities, two of the events. She is all very excited and I look forward to it. It's actually a very good initiative. Last time you gave a very nice platform. This year also I hope that it is going to be better than last year.
Hi guys, this is Sonali auntie. Last year हमारा जो winning performance था इन्होंने ही coordinate किया था. So let's hear some thoughts from her.
Yeah, hopefully, keeping the fingers crossed, we will be again the first one. Trying and planning for the same, and it's a very good experience getting attached to Moria.
Are there any problems that you're encountering between your practices and preparations maybe?
Not as such. Everybody so they are helpful, they are creative, they are friendly, and they are helping us a lot in everything. The experience is really very good. गणपति बाप्पा मोरिया.
Well, I have with me one of the talented contestant और जीत की प्रबल दावेदार साक्षी जी. साक्षी आंटी, आप बताइए आप क्या परफॉर्म करने वाली है?
मैं
किस पे परफॉर्म करने वाली? पिछली बार आपने नकुल के साथ क्या किया था? ऐसा कुछ प्लान करियो?
मैंने अलग से प्लान किया है.
क्या प्लान किया? सीक्रेट है?
है ना.
है ना, सीक्रेट है. अच्छा बताओ, मम्मी ज़्यादा तकलीफ तो नहीं देती प्रैक्टिस में?
मम्मी थोड़ा सा तो देती है.
और पापा?
पापा तो करवाते ही नहीं.
करवाते. अच्छा मुझे बताओ, कौन कौन तुम्हारे साथ पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा है?
नकुल,
हाँ.
शौर्या,
ओके.
दिशा,
हाँ. ओके.
और मैं.
और ये सब में सबसे ज़्यादा नखरे कौन करता है प्रैक्टिस के टाइम? नाटक कौन करता है सबसे ज़्यादा? एटीट्यूड कौन बताता है?
मैं.
सबसे लेट कौन आता है प्रैक्टिस पे?
नकुल.
अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ, इस बार तुम्हें क्या लगता है, तुम जीतोगी? जीत पाओगी?
मुझे तो नहीं लगता.
क्यों? क्यों नहीं लगता तुम्हें ऐसा?
क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस थोड़ा सा नहीं आता मुझे.
ओके. चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट साक्षी, और इस बार भी तुम्हें जीतना है. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.
How are you doing first of all?
Great.
Great. Okay. तो आप हमें अपना परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगी? लाइक कैसी प्रिपरेशन चल रही है, क्या क्या हो रहा है?
Preparation is going on. As far as my daughter is participating in fancy dress competition, and she is 2.5 years old. This is the first time she is using the stage, so bit nervous, bit excited. Let's see.
हम ज़्यादा प्रिपेयर हो रहे हैं फंक्शन में अच्छे दिखने के लिए एंड वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड. गणेश उत्सव है, ऑब्वियसली हमारा हिंदू का बहुत बड़ा फेस्टिवल है, तो हम सब एंजॉय करेंगे. परफॉर्मेंस तो रहेगा ही, बट सब इंडियन फैमिली एक साथ रहेगा एंड विल हैव लॉट्स ऑफ फन एंड फेस्टिवल मोड रहेगा सब.
Okay, so is she having trouble or is she doing extremely good?
We don't know. As I told you, like this is the first time she's using the stage, and recently she started to going school. So we are doing our best to encourage her and to, you know, like, I mean, to enhance like how she can be using that stage willfully. So let's hope for the best.
Definitely you have to fill the form.
लग ये रहा है कि कल रात को बैठ के अलग ने पूरा ऐसे लिखा है और खत्म नहीं होता है.
আর